How to use Tixel 2 System Operation. Please wear disposable gloves during device operation and treatment. To start, select either left or right handpiece in the home screen. Tip temperature is rising. At 350 degrees centigrade, the tip undergoes sterilization. After sterilization, the handpiece is ready in standby mode. To activate the handpiece, select treatment parameters. Exposure time in milliseconds. Protrusion in microns. Most commonly used is single pulse, which is the default setting. You may select double pulse by this icon. The icon is steady green, indicating that this handpiece is now ready for treatment. The red dot indicates the selected handpiece. The right handpiece is in hibernate. Its temperature is kept at 200 degrees centigrade. Select it. Icon is blinking. Temperature is rising. Handpiece is now ready in standby. To activate the handpiece, select treatment parameters. When both handpieces are ready, switching is easy. A handpiece will hibernate if not operated for 20 minutes. Remove handpiece from its cradle and start treatment. At the end of the treatment, place handpiece in its cradle, return to the home screen, and perform tip cleaning.